pizza and wings popcorn. Today we're making a flavor we call pizza and wings, and to do that we're using this pizza popcorn seasoning. We're using the Red Hot Buffalo seasoning blend that we got at the grocery store, and we're also using ranch popcorn seasoning from Gold Medal. And we're gonna combine that with 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil and 3 cups of corn. So let's get popping. 3 cups of corn. Alright, we're heating up our kernels, we're heating up our oil. If you want to pick up the Popcorn Genius recipe book, there's a link down in the description, so get that today. There's also a link down in the description for all the products we use today. Alright, we're starting to pop. Alright, we're stirring this around. Get all those unpopped kernels through our mini sifter there. Now we're going to take our kernels and we are going to put them into a food safe plastic bag while it's still hot. Now we're going to sprinkle on, it's a total of 2/3 of a cup of seasoning, but it's 1/3 of that is ranch, 1/3 of that is pizza, and 1/3 of that is the Red Hot. And then we're going to mix this up. Wow, that's potent. Let's take a couple pieces and take a look at it. It's strong. All right, look at those right there. Nice and coated, looks really good. Let's give it a try. Oh, that ranch gets you right in the back. Oh, okay. The Red Hot, you can taste the Red Hot in there, but the ranch mellows that out. It's kind of like when you dip your chicken wings in ranch dressing or blue cheese. It kind of mellows it. That's exactly what it tastes like there. And then you have that pizza flavor in the background that kind of just wraps that up. That's actually really good. Well, it's spicy at the end. At the end, it kind of gets you right in the back of the tongue. Wow, that's a really good flavor. So remember, you can do this too. So get out there and get popping.